Hello YouTube, this is Rolando again. So this is part number 2 of replacing the belt of the Rogue Doctor Dcc-1. So this is the right screwdriver we're going to use because it's longer screws, just for the purpose of putting it back together. So I want to show you that we already ordered that. As you see, we already ordered the belt for replacement, which it took like a week to come. So you don't find it anywhere. The only place that I would able to find it is in Bonanza. In my next segment, I will show you how to find it and where to go. Of course, you can use PayPal, and I will keep going. I will proceed with the repair, and I will show you first where to buy it. This is the part when I'm gonna be able to put this belt in this too, and I will be able to line it up. So I will keep going with the video once I do it. So I will show you again. Okay. So I already placed it in. So what you do is you put the belt first, this big one, and then you go to the little one. So you mount at this one teeth on the corner, and what you do is you roll up this until you're able to put it again. So now the belt is in, so you just make sure it's aligned, and that's it for now. All I have to do is put the cover, which is right here. It's only put the top back and 2 screws, and that will be it. So now we have a belt, and the roller should be able to work properly. So I will reassemble back. So I should I'm gonna leave a video of recommendations. So what you do right here is you put the cover back like this, to make sure this gap goes here. You see this little see this little gap right there? So just align here with this on the front, and then you place it back. Okay, so and then you put the 2 screws. So there is no trick right here or where to make mistakes. So you already saw what it is. So and now you can put stuff together as you take it out. So now I'm gonna just grab it and put together. Correction. So you put the plastic thing first, and then you pass that hole right in, and then you use the holes to put it right there. This one right here go here, and this one goes to the black one in the bottom. Okay, so as you can see right here, I already put the four screwdrivers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That one in the corner right there, and the 2 holes, the one that comes right here in this rectangular that comes down. Okay, so and as you can see, I put the zip tie right there. So that's the only one with the zip tie. When you take it apart, you just gotta pay attention. So, and now I'm gonna put this one that goes up right here. That one that you can see right here, you're gonna goes up, and then that's it. You just gotta push it up. It has a spring inside. So, and then keep proceeding with the putting together. Okay, I finished putting the machine together. So as you can see, I put all the parts. The only tricky part is right here. This is where the button is, extra boost water. But you have to wiggle and play a little bit until you make it. Because there has a metal piece right there that has to pass through the little holes where the screw goes. And that's it. So Now it's the moment of the truth. I just put a little bit of water in the clean water tank, and we'll see. Everything is back in place. Dirty water tank. It's the same machine. There is no trick. The same machine when I was taking part, the same thing that I was able to put part. Now I will test if the roller works because I already replaced the belt. So I'm going to turn it on right now. So thanks for watching, and give a thumbs up if you like this video and it was helpful, and please subscribe. That will help me to keep doing more content. If you have any questions, you can make it, and if I know the information, I will be able to upload videos answering your questions. So please feel free to ask me. If I have the experience and knowledge to do it, I will do it. So thank you. Bye bye.